Hi, welcome to Tesla Giga Series, where we talk about the latest news and exciting things Tesla is doing in its Gigafactories to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share our videos. This helps us thrive as a channel and continue making great videos for you every week. Today, we will be talking about the amazing achievements Tesla's famous Giga Shanghai has made since it was formally established in December 2018. To begin with, a Gigafactory essentially brings together multiple companies and entities that source components, bring together highly specialized instruments, and numerous business processes that are tied together to make such a factory work. As almost everybody knows, Tesla Giga Shanghai is a factory in China operated by Tesla Inc. Tesla chose Shanghai as the site for its third Gigafactory in 2019, and the factory was built in record time, requiring just 168 working days from the time permits were obtained to the time the plant was completed. The facility currently hosts the final assembly of the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, both of which started deliveries in January 2021. The factory's initial production rate target was 3,000 cars per week, intending to eventually ramp up to 250,000 electric vehicles per year. The first assembled Model 3s were delivered in December 2019, just a year after Tesla began grading the Gigafactory site in December 2018. Giga Shanghai currently does the final assembly of Model 3 vehicles, which began in December 2019, and Model Y, which began final assembly later in 2020. While initially, those assemblies were accomplished with parts and sub-assemblies that were shipped into the factory from the US. A significant push during 2020 was aimed at gradually increasing the made-in-China content in the car as Tesla China manufacturing matured. As previously stated, made-in-China Model Y production began in January 2021, and Giga Shanghai's production line capacity was aimed at 5,000 cars per week. If achieved and sustained, this could result in an annual capacity of more than 250,000 vehicles. If we use September 2021 numbers as a base for calculation, we can see that those predictions have more than doubled. 50 kelvins in a year is essentially more than 600 K. Building a Gigafactory in Shanghai was an important milestone for Tesla, which hoped to use its Shanghai factory to gain a foothold in China, the world's largest market for EVs. It was hoped that the local factory would help to speed up deliveries and insulate the company from the ongoing, at the time, trade war between US and China. By the way, the name Gigafactory comes from the word giga, the unit of measurement representing billions. Gigafactories Shanghai, Berlin, Texas, are being built in phases so that Tesla can begin manufacturing immediately inside the finished sections and continue to expand after that. While Giga Shanghai was originally only supposed to produce vehicles for local demand, Tesla surprised itself with how fast it could ramp up production at the plant. It enabled Tesla to start exporting cars from the factory to other markets, reducing the exportation load out of Fremont factory, which can now focus more on local, US demand. As of November 11, 2021, Tesla Giga Shanghai is getting ready for another round of exports. The factory is preparing to send another round of Model Y and Model 3 units to foreign territories. The next batch of exports bound for abroad should contribute to Tesla's last quarter this year, closing 2021 out strong. Pictures of Model Y and Model 3 vehicles at a port in China were shared online. Based on Tesla Germany's order page, the cars in the photos might all be Model Y and Model 3 long-range variants. The delivery dates for the AWD Model Y Long Range and Model 3 LR in Germany are December 2021. Shipping from China to Europe usually takes approximately 30 days, meaning the Teslas would arrive at their destination around the second week of December. Tesla would then have at least 2 weeks to deliver the Model Ys and Model 3s to reservation holders, well within Q4 2021. Earlier this month, Tesla export trackers identified 10 ships traveling from Shanghai to Europe, loaded with made-in-China Model 3 and Model Y cars. 2 other Tesla ships were traveling from Fremont to Asia. Earlier this week, Tesla China's order page revealed that the made-in-China Model Y standard range is officially sold out in China for the remainder of the year. The delivery date for the Model Y SR in China is 10 to 12 weeks as of this writing. The delivery date for the Model 3 SR Plus in China is still 6 to 10 weeks, hinting at the growing demand for the Model Y. Giga Berlin was supposed to produce and deliver Model Y vehicles by the end of 2021 but has not received the green light to start operations yet from Brandenburg's Office of the Environment, LFU. As Tesla's main export hub, Giga Shanghai has stepped in to fill the delivery gap in Europe. In October alone, Tesla China sold 54,391 units, 40,666 of which were exported abroad. Just hours ago, Tesla made a change in made-in-China Model Y specs, increasing the range from 525 kilometers to 545 kilometers, which is an increase of 12.5 miles of range in the Model Y, but Tesla also substantially decreased the acceleration from 5.6s to 6.9 seconds from 0 to 60. Increasing the range of the RWD Senior Mike Model Y by 12.5 miles and keeping the same price is good news. But why has the acceleration decreased so much? Share what you think about this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, if you want to see more about the innovations Tesla is putting in place to make the world a better place, please subscribe to the channel.